I'm Brian Pickowitz with LEA Professional here at ISE 2020. I'm going to walk you through one of our new software platforms, which we have leaprofessional.cloud, which is a remote cloud monitoring software that allows you to monitor and control your amplifiers anywhere in the world. So in April, we'll be launching leaprofessional.cloud, and what you get is the ability to monitor your amplifiers anywhere in the world. So this is our office back in South Bend, Indiana, USA. And when I click on this, now I see all the amplifiers that are in our office. So 4 disconnected, 1's connected. And what we're doing is we're muting and unmuting any channels, but no VPN connection, no gateways. So you get real-time control and monitoring of the amplifier over the cloud. Also no VPN status or anything like that. So now you can see the channels are muted, and then every 30 seconds they mute and unmute. And what we do is we give you all the control and configuration, so crossovers, parametric EQs, limiters, loads, and all of that as well. So as we go through. So this software will be available in April, and if you like what you see, please come visit us at www.leaprofessional.com.